Welcome to this online presentation where I'm going to reveal and unpack for you how you can start trading with no experience and get to enjoy your return on investment on a weekly basis without recruiting. This amazing opportunity is brought to you by QZ Asset Management. What the company does, it manages the investment portfolios by growing your capital through trading in the financial market using artificial intelligence trading robot called the BDAI Technology. Before I proceed, as a company that deals with financial assets and trading in the financial market, I'd like to share this risk disclaimer displayed on the screen. Please do take a screenshot and go through it at your own convenient time after the presentation. Let me introduce you to the company background. QZ Asset Management was founded in 2012. The company has its head office in Guangzhou, China, and present in over 4 countries and more than 30 locations worldwide. Other regional offices are based across Asia, South America, and opened its very first African regional office in Durban, South Africa on the 14th of January 2023. Between 2012 and 2017, QZ Asset Management only managed the assets portfolios for institutional and corporate investment portfolios. In 2017, QZ Asset Management opened its doors to retail or individual investors, but due to the 2019 and 2020 global pandemic, the COVID-19, the company held its expansion to the global market until August 2022. The company set its footprint in the South African or African market and South American market to welcome retail and investors or individual investors through direct selling, and also known as network marketing business model, to spread the word and further expand in this continent. Through this global market, what QZ Asset Management is bringing to us is an opportunity to earn passive income through trading robot called the BDAI Technology, an artificial intelligence automation that trades in the financial market to maximize your capital growth. I will explain more about this benefit of trading using the technology in the next slides. QZ Asset Management is licensed and regulated by Asset Management Association of China. The company license registration number is displayed on the slide. You can take a screenshot and do your own due diligence by visiting the website that is displayed on the screen. QZ Asset Management has strategic partners that takes care of certain aspects of the business operation. We have the auditors by KPMG. I'm sure many of you recognize this name, KPMG, as one of the biggest auditing firms. The legal and compliance is dealt by Dentos, a legal firm that oversees the legal compliance of the company. We also have liquidity providers, KP Morgan Barclays, Bank of China, CITIC Securities, China Construction Bank, and ICBC. These liquidity providers, they hold and oversee the funds of all the investors, and also making sure that they are distributed accordingly, and also banking QZ Asset Management with a buying power when trading in the financial market. Now let me introduce you to the CEO of QZ Asset Management, the gentleman who drives the vision of the company, Professor Blake Yeung. He joined the company in 2016. His credentials speaks volume and speak language of finance. As a chartered financial analyst with CFA Level 3 by profession, he holds a doctorate in economics from the London University of Economics. He also has pioneered Finance Award in FinTech Summit in 2019 for the development of the BDAI technology that spearheaded QZ Asset Management remarkable growth of 2,000% over the period of 6 years. The CEO has consistently been featured in business magazines, both online and offline, for his remarkable innovation. A keynote speaker in a number of financial technological events for his inspirational innovation of the development of the BDAI technology. Now, what exactly is BDAI technology? BDAI stands for Big Data Artificial Intelligence. We are talking full automation of trading robot that has been developed to deploy human function. the BDAI technology will turn you into an expert trader, because this technology takes or analyze the market technical and fundamental, execute trades, and take profit in real time. How the BDAI works is that it is using the preset algorithm method in milliseconds, collects and processes data without the emotions or the elements of human emotions. The product suite. Maybe you may ask yourself, what exactly is the BDAI trading in the financial market? When it comes to trading in the financial market, there are different categories or instruments that can be traded. For example, there are currency pairs like the euro and GBP. There's cryptocurrencies, there's stocks, there's gold, there's indices such as Nasdaq, S&P 500, the Dow Jones. The BDAI technology trades one of the indices and stocks called the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a group of top 500 public listed companies in the New York Stock Exchange. This is a basket of companies which includes Apple, Microsoft, Visa, MasterCard, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, to mention but a few. The S&P 500 is regarded as the most stable asset or the most stable indices with the highest market cap that provides the highest volume and liquidity when trading in the financial market. Now let's have a look at this chart. This is a 5-year trading chart that shows the overall performance of the S&P 500. Now, the beauty of partnering with a company that has been in existence for over 10 years is that you get to enjoy the benefit of tried and tested results and see how the BDAI technology has performed historically. As you may recall that in 2019 and 2020, we had a global financial challenge due to the COVID-19 global pandemic and shutdown in many countries. Looking at this chart, the blue line represents the market performance overall over the past 5 years. There was a dip or downflow in the market between 2019 and 2020. The top red line represents the trading performance by the BDAI technology that has been consistently profitable due to its artificial intelligence, even when the economy was not performing at its optimal best during the pandemic. The best part is that as an investor at QZ Asset Management, you'll be able to access the trading web platform via the back office, where you'll be able to see and view the S&P 500 real market traded in real time and performing in real time. The BDAI technology has received a number of recognitions and awards and success stories at a number of international financial expo, fintech. Let me share with you some of the highlights and success stories and achievements that the BDAI technology has received over the years. Wow, amazing highlights that we have just seen right there. QZ Asset Management creates value beyond wealth. Now, how can you start growing your wealth and achieving financial aspiration together with QZ Asset Management? What matters to you matters to us. Now, let me talk briefly about the dual benefit and zero loss of your capital traded in the financial market, meaning QZ Asset Management will match the value of your investment package, also known as AUM, which stands for Asset Under Management. The company will match your investment package dollar to dollar, providing you with more equity and 50% stop loss to protect your capital 100% when traded in the financial market. For those who are familiar with trading, we understand that setting a stop loss and having 100% equity increases your profitability and significantly reduces your loss. Now let's talk about how you can partner with QZ Asset Management and start earning passive income on a weekly basis without recruiting. QZ Asset Management has two packages that you can choose from. The first one is the basic package, which starts from $100 to $900. This package will actually pay you your return on investment on a weekly basis on a Monday, 3.5% per week, an average of 14% per month. If you can think about it, commercial banks, they offer 3.5% growth on your investment per annum or per year. The second package is called the Elite package, which starts from $1,000. Your weekly return on investment on this package is a whopping 7% per week, an average of 28% per month. Pure passive income paid to you every week on a Monday without you lifting a finger or recruiting anyone. And how like so? Because you will have deployed the BDAI technology to do the work for you, to analyze, execute the trades, and take profit over the past week. It is important to note that each and every package, both the Elite and the Basic package, has an income cap of 400% at the end of each contract. Let me break it down for you. The Basic package, it pays 3.5 per week and 14% per month for 2 years, 2 months. The Elite package that starts from $1,000 pays you 7% per week, 28% per month on average for a 1 year, 2 months. Please note that you can have as many basic and elite packages as you wish, and they will each package pay you passive income on a weekly basis until the income cap of 400% has been reached. This is an outline of the packages, the basic package and the elite package, that will outline, give you an idea of how much you will be accumulating per week, per day, per month, and when your income cap is reached at 400%. So each and every package or investment package is kept at 400%, meaning that at the end of the contract, you will have accumulated or grown your capital by 400%, but you are paid in pro rata every week on a Monday. Every Monday is payday at QZ Asset Management. So you can have as many packages as you wish, as long as it suits your pocket and as long as you wish, and each package will be paid separately the return on investment on a Monday every week. Now let's talk about capital protection scheme. As an investor, I believe you would like to understand how your invested capital will be protected, right? I'm going to highlight to you the capital protection and the capital redemption plan. The capital protection scheme, QZ Asset Management says that for each and every contract that you invest with the company, whether it's $100, $200, $1,000, or whichever amount, the company will match your package twice as much. We call it a dual asset under management. The ROI will be paid on a weekly basis, as I've mentioned before, 3.5%, and your income cap is 400% for each package, basic package and elite package. Same applies with the elite package. Your initial contract or initial package will be matched twice as much. If you invest $100, the company will provide $100 as an liquidity to provide you with dual asset management. And the elite package, they pay for 7% per week, and they are also kept at 400%. It's important to note that every week each package will be paid on a Monday. The minimal withdrawal is $10, and the withdrawals are processed within 48 hours. Each and every withdrawal, whether it's $20, whether it's $100, whether it's $1,000 or any amount, there's a withdrawal admin fee of $5. It's also important to note that the company can only process your withdrawal when you have submitted your identity, which is called Know Your Customer, KYC. And also, you must also note that the company will match your package 100%. As I've mentioned before, that you are going to get a benefit of dual asset under management, which will be matched twice as much of the investment that you are going to start with. The capital redemption fee. Now you may be asking yourself, is my capital locked once I invest with QZ Asset Management? The answer is no, your capital is not completely locked. Well, if life happens and you wish to redeem your capital, there are terms and conditions, which is called the management fee. If you wish to withdraw your capital within the first 30 days, 50% management fee will be charged. 31st to the 60th day, 25%. 61st to the 90th day, 10%. And from the 91st day onwards, you will not be charged anything should you wish to redeem your capital. Now, this concludes the conversation that we're having with investment partners. If you wish to invest and enjoy your weekly return on investment, then you are actually going to be welcome to do so. Now we are going to have a different conversation. This introducing broker program is completely optional. It's not compulsory. But QZ Asset Management say, if you enjoy or love what you see and you would like to share it with others, the company will offer you as an investor, whether it's basic package or elite package that you have signed up with, an opportunity to become an introducing broker at no extra cost. What is this introducing broker program? This introducing broker program is a marketing strategy that the company is using through direct selling, known as network marketing, to expand further globally. In other words, you are going to be paid to participate in this introducing broker program over and above your weekly return on investment that each and every investor will be getting on a weekly basis on a Monday. Now let me just break it down. The introducing broker program has two benefits, which is called the dual income stream. So when you participate in the introducing broker program, you get to enjoy what we call the affiliate bonus. Affiliate bonus, it means a referral bonus. For each and every investor that you bring into the company to buy either an elite or the basic package, the company will pay you 10% of that amount of the package value. So if you refer someone to come in and become an investor, the company will pay 10% the following day. What the binary bonus means is the team bonus, because as you refer people and the people that we have refer other people, now you become a team. So the company says over and above the affiliate bonus, we're also going to pay you what we call the binary bonus. The binary bonus, it means that you're gonna get 10% of your weaker leg from your team, because your team will be team will be on your left and the other team will be on your right. So whether it's yourself or the team members that have referred other investors to come and buy the packages, the following day, should there be any activity in your team, the company will look at the weaker leg and they pay you 10% of the matching bonus between your teams that will eventually build with your team members. So it's a team effort, but the enjoyment is by all the team members in the team. So now, if you wish to become part of the introducing broker, you will do so, because we all refer people to services, to products, but we don't get compensated for doing so. I believe that once you start enjoy your weekly return on investment, you will not help but to share. And the company says, as you share and get other investors to come and invest, you'll be able to enjoy the affiliate bonuses. And those investors, and as they come continue to refer other people, you'll enjoy also the binary bonus. This is just an outline of how the team or the affiliate, the binary bonus will look like. When you come as an investor and you refer people or start referring people to become investors for elite or the basic packages, the company will automatically place your team members on the left and on the right. Remember, this is done automatically, and this is the information that you can be able to access on your back office. So it's completely passive income over and above the weekly return on investment that you'll be getting, and over and above the affiliate bonuses that you'll be getting. Then as your people or your team members, they refer other people, or yourself, you continue to refer other people, because there's no limit in the number of people that you can refer. You get to enjoy the binary bonus as well, which is the team bonus. So this is a summary of what the introducing broker will actually, how you enjoy the benefits or how you enjoy the passive income. Over and above the weekly return on investment that is received by each and every investor on a Monday, you'll enjoy a 10% affiliate bonus, which is the referral bonus, and then the binary bonus, which is the team bonus of 10% on a weaker leg. And in those cases, even when you are an introducing broker or you're just a pure investor, the income cap is always kept at 400%. of the investment packages. So it's important to note that whether you're an introducing broker, an investor, or an investor, you'll be enjoying your return on investment up to 400% kept at each and every package that you'll have started with. The International Recognition Program 2. QZ Asset Management offers international recognition program for every month. The last one, the first recognition program, started or ended in December 2022. The second one started on the 1st of January to the 30th of April 2023. This is an additional incentive to recognize and award introducing brokers who have gone extra mile to achieve the ranks and targets set by the company. Let me explain more what this benefit is all about. The International Recognition Program 2, which is valid from the 1st of January to 30th of April 2023, it has got different ranks and different rewards and incentives. So the company says that for each and every introducing broker, when they go an extra mile and achieve the ranks of the junior vice president, vice president, senior vice president, executive vice president, and the director president, there will be a criteria that needs to be met and the rewards that are going to be attached to those rewards or the ranks that each and every individual or introducing broker will have achieved during this period. So this is an outline of what the International Recognition Program 2 is going to offer you as an introducing broker when you achieve these ranks. For example, when you have accumulated $5,000 between yourself through affiliate bonuses and your team bonus, and then the company will pay you a cash price of $888. When you move to the next rank, which is the vice president, you'll have accumulated $10,000 through your team or binary bonus and your affiliate bonus, which is the referral bonus. You win a 4-day, 4-night Shanghai trip. When you move and actually achieve the senior vice president rank, which you will have accumulated $35,000, you will actually be rewarded with this beautiful watch, or you can opt to get a cash incentive of $10,888. The second last rank is called the executive vice president, where you'll be awarded $30,888 when you accumulate $90,000. And then the last and the highest rank is the director, where you'll be rewarded a beautiful Porsche Panamera or a cash price of $130,888. So this is an overall international recognition program incentive for this second one, which starts from the 1st of January until the 30th of April for each and every introducing broker to be able to meet these criteria. These are the rewards and incentives that the company is going to compensate you for your hard work, for yourself, and from your team. Over and above this recognition program, for the company says, we're going to help you to achieve these ranks and smash these incentives by giving a special accelerator bonus for IRP2, meaning that between the month of January, the company will 3x the amount. For example, if you have accumulated 1,000 points or $1,000, the company will triple that so that you can be able to achieve the ranks quicker and faster. In February is 2x the amount of the points, March 1x, and April. So this is just an accelerator special to help introducing brokers to be able to match and be able to achieve these ranks, because the point and the goal is to see as many people achieving these ranks and many people achieving these cash prices and be awarded these amazing incentives. Now we're gonna talk briefly about the market expansion. QZ has a market presence in over 30 locations across the world, using network marketing to warm up the market. So the company has a schedule of offices across many countries, because now I believe you're asking yourself, when is QZ Asset Management coming to my country? This is an office schedule that has been preset by the company. Remember, this schedule is based on demographic of the clientele base and subject to change, and then it also reserves the company to decide and change the schedule to suit the long-term needs. What's exciting is that we have opened the first African regional office in Durban, South Africa on the 14th of January 2023. The next schedule in March and moving forward, subject to the company schedule, these are the countries that the company is planning to open the offices in the coming year, or between 2023 and 2024. But that doesn't mean that if your country is not listed here, you won't be able to enjoy or become part of the investor. It's important to check with the person that referred you that if your country is open for you to be able to participate in this amazing investment portfolio or in this investment opportunity that QZ Asset Management has to offer. This is a setup, or this is the beautiful office, the physical office that has been officially opened in South Africa. It's the very first African regional office in Umhlanga, Durban in South Africa. This is a setup office that's going to be opened, or is scheduled to be opened in South Africa, right in the beautiful city of Sandton in Johannesburg, between the month of March and April, according to the company's schedule, which is subject to change or which is subject to be confirmed. But this is the proposed office that the company is going to further open another office in South Africa, right in Johannesburg, in the Sandton city. Not only the company makes an effort to open offices, physical offices, but also the company has online and offline advertising campaign to increase the brand awareness, because the company, the whole point is to make itself visible to the world and also inviting as many investors as possible. So we have a social media page, social media in Facebook and Twitter that you can actually like and follow, and so that you can be able to be updated with the developments and other interesting news that the company is offering and posting on these social media platforms. We also have billboards on the highways, on the N1 highways. These are major roads in Johannesburg that are already there, and there are electronic billboards that are already there to advertise and further make brand and increase the brand awareness that the company is visible out there, and to saying, hey, we are here and we are not actually shying away from our brand, and we also want to be known, and we also wanted to make ourselves visible. So these are major roads which are billboards on the N1 Johannesburg. We also have more billboards on the N3 highway, which is leading to the OR Tambo International Airport in Johannesburg, that are actually physically visible, that are actually advertising the company, that is saying we are here and we want to increase our brand and we want to be well known, over and above the effort that the network marketing or direct selling strategy that we're using. We're also going to be using other branding strategy on the marketing strategy to actually make known ourselves to the world. This is also another beautiful billboards that actually planned for the OR Tambo International Airport. This is one of the major and one of the biggest international airports in the Southern Africa. That's QZ saying, hey, we want to actually make sure that people, as they are departing and arriving in South Africa, they actually see our brand, that we are here and we are here to offer asset management to the people and asset management portfolios for those who wish to grow their wealth. Now this brings us to the end of this presentation. I'd like to thank you so much for your time. If you need more information, or you have more questions, please do contact the contact details on the screen via WhatsApp, and also make sure that you are not left behind, because the wealth transfer is happening. QZ is bringing something bigger than we thought, and you don't want to be left behind. Thank you so much for your time, and we are looking forward to be welcoming you into our team, and thank you so much for your time.